as she held up her cell phone to take back-to-school selfies with the new school resource officers last week. The excitement of the first day swept through Liz Prey just as it had in previous years. But Prey, a school nurse, was nervous, too. "I don't know what the school year is going to bring," she said. With the highly transmissible Delta coronavirus variant circulating in the United States and tensions boiling over around masks and vaccine requirements, this school year will be like none she has experienced before. For the past 7 years, Prey cared for young students across 4 different elementary school buildings within Moses Lake School District in central Washington state. Now, she will care for older students at Moses Lake High School, more than 2,000 students total. "It's so fun to see those students coming back to me, and seeing how much they've changed over the last few years, and the young adults that they're molding into," Prey said. "I'm excited to see them all at the same time, but I'll admit I'm nervous." Prey is one of about 96,000 full-time school nurses in the United States who are facing an uncertain school year ahead. Even before the pandemic expanded their workloads and altered their day-to-day tasks, the United States was grappling with a shortage of school nurses. By the end of her first day back, Prey had taken on a stack of paperwork an inch thick, found time for a single restroom break and managed a late lunch around 3:15 p.m. "If I had to sum up the day, check on your school nurse, because they are not okay," Prey said. Pandemic aside, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends that schools have 1 full-time nurse for every 750 students. Now, when students and schools may need nurses more than ever, it's estimated that about a quarter of schools still have no nurse at all. The latest data from a national school nurse workforce study, published in the Journal of School Nursing in 2018, found approximately 39% of schools employ full-time nurses and about 35% employ part-time school nurses, while 25% do not employ school nurses. In Washington, where Prey is based, a working paper from the University of Washington's Center for Education Data and Research in Seattle found last year that the statewide student-to-nurse ratio during the 2019 to 2020 school year was 1 nurse for every 1,173 students on average. The country has had a shortage of school nurses for years, but the burden is clear now. "I would love to see a school nurse in every school across our country," said Linda Mendonca, president of the National Association of School Nurses. "That would be my magic wand dream, because every American school child deserves a school with a full-time school nurse, not just to help them navigate through a pandemic, but to support students every day with their physical and mental health and making sure that they're academically ready to learn," Mendonca said. All data is taken from the source, http://us.cnn.com. Article link, https://us.cnn.com/2021/09/06/health/school nurses shortage COVID-19 pandemic wellness/index.html. #school #newshour #newstoday update #newstoday of #newstodames in BC #newsworld of cash